Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and today's look is going to be, this is the third time I'm actually recording and I keep saying today's look is going to be on this video. Anyway, so yeah, today's video is going to be on this look. It has a nice retro vibe and I think I might be doing this look for my New Year's party celebration. So yeah, keeping that in mind, I did today's look. It's not shimmery, it's an all matte look, but I quite like the final outcome and I hope you do too. So if you want to see how I did this makeup look, then keep on watching, and please अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो please do that and share my videos with your friends and family, and let's just get started. सबसे पहले मैंने NYX का ड्रॉप प्राइमर यूज़ किया है. मुझे प्राइमर बहुत अच्छा लगता है. It's nice, makes the skin look supple and smooth. And once I'm just going to press that into the skin, I will go in with this L'Oreal primer. This is not really a primer, it's like an illuminating kind of a highlighter base for the skin. आप चाहें तो आप इसको directly like in with your foundation भी mix कर सकते हैं या फिर directly face पे लगा सकते हैं. So I'm using these two foundations. Wet n Wild की foundation है और थोड़ी सी मैंने वो लगाई है लॉरियल की ट्रू मैच फाउंडेशन ऑन द आउटर पेरीमीटर. एज आप देख सकते हैं उसका कलर थोड़ा सा डार्क है वेट एंड वाइल्ड वाली फाउंडेशन से. सो वो मैंने अक्रॉस द लाइक अराउंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द फेस लगाया और वेट एंड वाइल्ड वाली मोर इन द सेंटर ऑफ द फेस. एंड इस ब्रश से आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू स्प्रेड इट फर्स्ट एंड देन बफ इट इन. एंड जब एक बार वो हो जाएगा तो मैंने ये डैम्प स्पंज लिया है एंड उससे जस्ट आई जस्ट सेटल डाउन द फाउंडेशन. And now we are moving on to the eye makeup. This is Sidekick eyeshadow from MakeupGeek. अगर आपने MakeupGeek के eyeshadows नहीं try की है, trust me, you're missing out. They make some of the best eyeshadows, so do try MakeupGeek eyeshadows. और एक क्लीन ब्रश से मैंने ब्लेंड कर दिया था उसी आई शेडो को. आई डिड नॉट यूज़ अ डिफरेंट ट्रांजिशन शेड एंड आई वेंट बैक अगेन विद द फर्स्ट आई शेडो, थोड़ा सा डार्कन अप कर दिया. एंड मूविंग ऑन, मैंने एक छोटी ब्रश पे भी MakeupGeek की ब्रश है, एक डार्क ब्राउन आई शेडो लिया जिसको मैं सिर्फ आउटर कॉर्नर पर ही लगा रही हूँ और मैंने क्रीज तक भी ऊपर तक नहीं लिया है उसको. एंड ये स्टेप ऑप्शनल है. कट क्रीज मैंने ये LA गर्ल का कंसीलर से किया है. Just going to set that concealer with this skin color type of a light eyeshadow. वो भी MakeupGeek की ही eyeshadow है. And then I'm just going back in with that first eyeshadow to just kind of blend everything together. And then ये Sugar Cosmetics का eyeliner है. And eyeliner is very exaggerated, बहुत winged out liner है. क्योंकि मैं एक थोड़ा रेट्रो लुक के लिए जा रही थी इसीलिए आई हैव एग्जैजरेटेड द लाइनर सो मच. यू कैन कम्प्लीटली कीप द विंग एज पर योर कंफर्ट. एंड वंस द विंग इज़ डन, मैंने एक वाइट शी स्मजर ब्रश पे ब्लैक आई शेडो लिया है. यू कैन टेक लाइक डार्क ब्राउन आई शेडो ऑल्सो, बट आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग द black eyeshadow and just smudging it just a little bit on top of my liner. So that is done and we can move back to the face makeup again. I'm just using this orange color corrector and to just color correct underneath my eyes, and then I'm using this Wet n Wild photo focus concealer. मैंने अभी आई थिंक 3 एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डर किए थे मिंत्रा पे जब ब्यूटी सेल चल रहा था तब. दिस Wet n Wild का कंसीलर, I totally love this concealer. And I'm using light medium beige, so that is a good shade to use if you are around NC 40-42. एक छोटे smudger ये sponge से I'm just going to blend out the concealer. You want to take your time जब आप ये eyes के across कर रहे हो, नहीं तो you will mess up your eyeliner, so just be very cautious when you are doing this step. And I'm using Topaz Tan from NYX. I'm almost out of this product. मैंने इसको इतना use किया है, and as soon as I'm out of it, I'm going to get myself a new one. I totally love this product so much. And now again, I'm just using the same foundation brush and just going to blend out the contour. And you just basically have to do very light taps. Now I'm using this NYX cream blush in Tea Rose. I think that is the name. I'm not sure. I will list all the products in the description box below. Just wanted to keep the look nice and dewy, so I'm just using the powder. Also, I'm using on the small sponge because I don't want the powder to be all over the face, just underneath the under eye area to kind of set the concealer and color corrector. And once that is done, I'm going to blend my nose contour also. And using this white sheet powder brush, I'm just going to kind of put away any excess powder. I'm just taking, again on the same brush, I'm taking this MAC Give Me Sun bronzer and just kind of placing it, tapping it into the skin. I wanted like the look to be very fresh and dewy, so I'm not using like too much powder. And जो powder भी मैंने use किया, it has a lot of cream product on it, so it was not like very powdery also. And I'm using the same bronzer to kind of bronze the nose as well, and then I will move on to the eyebrows. And the one I'm using is I think this one is from Colourpop, Bangin Brunette. And I'm just going to shape the eyebrows, and then I'm just going to kind of fill it in. And for the highlighter, I have used Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. Using it with this is a fluffier blending brush, and I'm using this on the inner corner of the eyes as well. Next, I'm using this eye pencil from NYX, and it's very creamy and buttery, as you can see. And then I'm using on a smudger brush, I'm using the Sidekick eyeshadow one more time, just applying it on the lower lash line. And again the same dark brown eyeshadow. This one is going to be a little bit more closer to the lower lash line than the uh, Sidekick one. So you get a nice transition on the lower lash line as well. Now I'm taking a Wet n Wild lip liner. I'm just going to outline my lips and applying a nude lipstick. Initially I wanted to apply like a darker lipstick, but then I went ahead with this Chi lipstick. This one is from Colourpop and such a beautiful nude shade. I'm so great. I'm glad I did not go for a darker shade, and I'm quite enjoying like this look with a lighter, paler nude lipstick. So this is the final look. I'm just going to open the curls and apply, like I'm wearing a nice red earrings, and yeah, this is the final look, an all matte look. You can actually rock this look with a dark deep red or maroon lips as well. I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. I had a lot of fun with this look. I hope to see you in the next video. See you. Bye bye.